I just finished this antique Bontems massive double singing bird cage. And just for scale purposes, to the left is a normal size singing bird cage, and you can see the enormous difference. What's nice about this bird cage here is everything is 100% original. And look at the iridescent sheen on the feathers of the top bird. Has a violet purple hue. The bottom bird is equally pleasing. Nice yellow top, green feathers. Excellent condition. So everything was cleaned, adjusted, and lubricated, so it plays as it should. Let's go ahead and watch this play. The birds alternate singing. Go to the top bird. We'll rotate it here. It's not easy to video. It's very big. It works perfectly. The birds sing with full voice, wonderful, realistic bird songs. Front view. So in summary, this is an antique Bontems double singing bird cage. This is the large scale model. This was made in the late 1800s. I also want to show you how this winds. So how I do this, bear with me, I did not do a tripod. Let's see, this is going to be interesting. So what I do is I hold two hands like this. We'll see if we can get my, and then I just position my thumb and my index finger as such, and then I wind the mainspring. And what you're hearing there, rather than have a click mechanism to keep the mainspring from unwinding, this actually has a tension spring on it that wraps around the winding arbor, and which is an improvement, actually. It's a very nice mechanism all the way around. And this plays for about 2.5 minutes on one full wind. And like I mentioned, this one is 100% original. It was in such nice condition that rather than restore it, I conserved it. And there's a big difference. Conserving means very carefully cleaning the item rather than stripping, polishing, adding new feathers, adding new fabric. And when you find one that's in really nice condition, I always try to keep it original rather than redo everything, because it's not needed. Take care.